In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillights on this Ram 2500. Let's get started. With a T25 socket, you'll see that there are two screws to remove. If you open the tailgate, of course, they'll be hidden right here. There's one, and one a little bit further down. Hold that taillight, remove the screw. Now the taillight should come right off the bed. Now you can't go very far because the wiring is still attached, of course, and we'll have to unplug it. I'm going to take the connector with the socket and the bulb, turn it counterclockwise until it clicks and unlocks, remove it, and then at the bottom here there will be another one. Do the same thing, turn it counterclockwise, pull it out of the taillight, and there it is, and there's your taillight. On the side of the bed, there should be two clips that hold the taillight on, or at least locate it. Ours are missing, but the new taillight should come with them, so I'm going to install them. Just press them in, and then there's one further down. As we install the new taillight, you want to pay attention to these two cutouts, which line up with the two clips that we just replaced. Then, of course, you have the screw mounting brackets here, and of course the bulbs, one here, one here. Line this up, and once the tabs line up, it'll lock in if you turn it clockwise, just like that. And then the top brake light bulb, which is a 3157 if you want to replace it, slide that in and turn it clockwise to lock it in position. Now line up the tail light with the side of the bed, and you're going to want to push it back. Pay attention to those plastic clips on the side. There we go. Those won't make it very stable, but they'll at least make it so that it stays flush with the side of the bed. You still have to hold it and position it, line it up with the two screws. Start in the bottom screw. Snug it up. You don't want to make these very tight. About a quarter turn at most after they bottom out if you do this by hand. And the top one. There you go, that's tight. Now you can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.